Welcome to Week 4. This is your capstone. I'll guide you through proposal, research, drafting, revision, and packaging. Part A. Proposal and Prompt Bank. 8 to 10 minutes. 1. Write a 100-word proposal. Goal, audience, tone, deliverable, story, essay, marketing, drafty lesson plan. 2. Build a prompt bank. 5 to 8 prompts. Examples. Outline the piece with 3 main beats. Return bullets only. Draft 400 words for Section 1. Keep tone. Return only the section. List 5 counterpoints I should address. No fluff. Part B, Agent Mode, Research and QA, 10 to 12 minutes. 1. Agent Task. Collect 3 to 5 sources relevant to my topic. Summarize method, findings, limits, include links. 2. Agent Task. List 3 risks, biases, suggest mitigations. 3. Verify links with scholar.google.com. Paste summaries and notes. Part C. Drafting and revision schedule. 12 to 15 minutes. Draft 1. Outline plus 400 to 600 words. Draft 2. Integrate facts, strengthen voice, clarify claims. Draft 3. Final polish after AI/peer review. Log keeps, cuts, and why after each pass. Part D. Packaging and submission. 5 to 7 minutes. Package includes duck, final polished piece, 1,000 to 2,000 words. Tuck, prompt bank, plus prompt log. Agent mode notes, plus verified sources. Reflection, 500 words. Integrity, creativity, lessons learned. Congratulations! You now have a transparent professional workflow for AI-assisted writing. Graduates are invited to explore Best Global AI's upcoming social media marketing platform.